When the fires raged across New South Wales last year, our Nambucca Valley was one of the areas that was seriously affected. It was catastrophic what happened to the Nambucca community as a result of the bushfire of November. 62 houses lost completely, and there were innumerable houses, people's homes damaged.
Our involvement's basically been in conjunction with Drew Walker Plumbing, coordinating septic tanks to site, pipe and stuff to get these in, because they're rural communities, they're not connected to town sewer. So getting them back on, to a septic tank system.
Reece were the actual ones that helped get the actual thing up and running with their grant. Reece have been out with us when we've been doing the inspections, and obviously they deliver all the gear out there.
One of the main reasons that something like the Reece Grant is so important is because of the fact that it makes it possible for community to help themselves. So you can't do a project like this without, engaging so many people who were so willing to come and help. People like Drew Walker, our plumber, had notified council that he was willing and prepared to help.
I'm so proud to work for such a great Australian company, and people, catch up to me in the street, to mention what a good job we're sort of doing down there and where they can follow it.